Have you ever wondered why some popcorn kernels don't pop? Well, we're about to pop the lid off this mystery. Picture this. You've just microwaved a bag of popcorn, the aroma fills your space, and you're ready to dive in. But as your hand sifts through the warm, buttery treat, you find a hard, unpopped kernel. It's a universal experience, really, finding these little duds at the bottom of the bag. Intriguing, isn't it? Now let's dive into the science behind this popcorn phenomenon. The science behind popcorn is more interesting than you might think. At the heart of each popcorn kernel is a tiny droplet of water, nestled within a circle of soft starch. This water is key to the popping process. As the kernel heats up, the water turns into steam, creating a pressure cooker scenario inside the tough outer shell or hull of the kernel. The steam continues to build until the pressure is too much and bam! The kernel explodes, flipping inside out into the fluffy white treat we all know and love. But what about those rogue kernels that refuse to pop? Well, usually, they're lacking in one of two key areas. Either they don't have enough moisture inside to create the needed steam, or their hull isn't strong enough to contain the pressure. So, the next time you find a few unpopped kernels in your popcorn bag, you'll know it's all about the moisture and the hull's strength. Popcorn is not just a delicious snack, but also a fascinating subject of science. We've learned that some kernels just don't pop because they lack enough moisture to create steam, or their hulls are too weak to withstand the pressure. Here's a fun fact. The world's largest popcorn ball was over 12 feet in diameter. That's a lot of popcorn. Remember, every unpopped kernel has its own tiny tale of moisture and pressure. Enjoy your popcorn, and enjoy knowing a bit more about the science behind every pop.